Hello students, here we start a new topic, equality in Indian democracy. Now students, for knowing about equality, we should know the term democracy first. So let's begin. Democracy, as said by Abraham Lincoln, democracy is of the people, for the people and by the people. Students, democracy is the most popular form of government. If we want to know about democracy, we should know about its features. So let's begin with its features. Active participation by the citizen of the country. Second is the freedom to express your opinions. The third one, resolving conflicts, the fights, through consultation by talking to the other person. And the last but not the least, equality and justice are the main and the striking features of a democratic setup. Now we will talk about equality, which is the most important element of democratic setup. Students, treating everyone equally and upholding the dignity of fellow citizens and your friends also are the core to democracy. In a democracy, all adults, citizens, regardless of their caste they belong, the religion they have, the gender or class, enjoy the right to vote. And this only is known as universal adult franchisee. That means universal means everyone in the country, and the adult means above a particular age, that is 18 years, and franchisee is the right. That means all adult citizens have the right to cast their vote and choose their leaders or the representatives. This universal adult franchisee is based on the principle of one person, one vote, and each vote has equal value. And this only brings political equality in a democratic setup. Let's move further. Now we will talk about inequality. Students, in spite of the equal status granted by the Constitution, there are millions of people in India facing inequality. Unequal distribution of resources is the main reason for the existence of inequality in the country. Due to lack of money, many people are being deprived of even the most basic necessities of life. And which are those? Those are food, clothing and shelter. Students, there are various forms of inequality that are prevailing in our society. The first one is caste inequality, gender equality, economic inequality, religious inequality. As I had talked to you regarding inequalities, students, people are discriminated even on the grounds of class, caste, wealth, profession, gender, and even on the basis of their disability. And this all leads to inequality and injustice. The picture given is very clearly showing that a person on a wheelchair is being said no for a job just because he is disabled. He has some physical problem. It's all for today's lecture, students. I hope this part of the video is clear to you. Thank you and have a fruitful day ahead.